Now let's move forward. Exercise 7.2. In previous video we completed exercise 7.1. So now we are starting exercise 7.2. Okay, so just be ready. Open your mind. Let's start it with question number 1. First of all, read this question. Which congruence criteria do you use in the following? Which congruence criteria do you use in the following? So first of all, we need to recall the theory. How many criteria we have to prove the congruency? If you want to prove that two triangles are congruent, then total how many criteria we have? So first of all, we have the S criteria, side, 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 that means all three sides are same. Second criteria, that is side angle side, SAS, right? Two sides and one interior angle. It's same with the other triangle. Then third, it is ASA, angle side angle. Two angles and interior sides are equal with the other triangle. Then next is RHS, it is for the right angle triangle. RHS, R that means right angle, H that means hypotenuse, and S that means side. It is equal with the other triangle. Okay, so total 4 criteria we have that we need to use here. So in first question, given now two triangles we have ABC and DEF. In that AC is equal to DF. AC and DF both are same. AB is equal to D. AB is equal to D. BC is equal to EF. BC is equal to EF, and here it is written that triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. This is the sign of congruency. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Now we need to write the name of the criteria. Which criteria is used here? So just look at this triangle. Side, side, side. All three sides are equal with the other triangle, right? Side, side, side. That means S criteria. Okay. So here reason is by SSS criteria. Okay, which criteria? SSS, side, side, side. Now, second question given. Now here we have two triangles RPQ and ZXY. Now here RP is equal to ZX. RP and ZX both are equal. Then RQ is equal to ZY. RQ is equal to ZY. And third thing, it is angle PRQ. PRQ, that means this angle R. Okay, we need to see the center position. PRQ is equal to XZY. XZY. That means angle Z. Okay. Now here triangle PQR is congruent to triangle XYZ. So here side, then angle, again side. So here criteria is side angle side, right? Because here side, then angle, then side. So side angle side. Two sides and one angle are equal in both the triangle. So criteria is side angle side. So here we need to write division by SAS, side angle side criteria. Okay. Then third question. Here given angle MLN. MLN. Okay. Here angle MLN, that means this angle is equal with FGH. FGH, that means this angle. Okay, MLN here, FGH, both are equal. Now NML, that means this angle. We need to see the center position M. So angle NML. Now here HFG, that means this angle. HFG, center F, and ML is equals to FG. ML is equals to FG. Okay. So here two angles are equal and one interior side is equal. Two angles are equal and one interior side is equal. So here criteria is angle, side, angle. Right? Angle, side, angle. So ASA. So here is by ASA criteria. Then next, here two triangle AEB and BCD. In that, EB is equals to BD. EB is equals to BD. Okay, 1 marks. EB is equals to BD. Then AE is equals to CD. AE is equals to CD. Okay. First of all, B is equals to BD. Then A is equals to BC, and angle A is equals to angle C is equals to 90 degree. Angle A is 90 degree and angle C is 90 degree. So here this is right angle triangle because one angle is 90 degree, right? So here right angle R, then hypotenuse H and side S is equal with the other triangle. Okay, right angle R, hypotenuse H and side S. So we can write here by RHS criteria. Here which criteria is used? RHS. Okay, R that means right angle, H that means hypotenuse, and S that means side. So here RHS. So here SSS, side. Here side, angle, and RHS criteria. Okay. Now second question. You want to show that triangle ART congruent to PEN. If you have to use SSS criteria, then you need to show. First of all, you want to show that triangle ART is congruent to PEN. Both triangles are congruent. We need to show it. Now, first question: if we have to use SSS criteria, then what are the requirements? If we want to prove by using the SSS criteria, then we need to show that all three sides are same. Okay, so AR. Now here we need to follow the sequence. AR first, second, third. So AR first, second position. So here first, second position we want PE. Otherwise, if we draw the triangle, then this side with this. Then second side RT, second, third EN. So RT is equals to EN. Now third, AT, that means first, third position. So first, third position PN. Okay, that means all three sides are same. So SSS criteria. Okay, we need to follow the sequence. AR first, second, PE, RT second, third EN, AT first, third PN. Now second question. If it is given that angle T is equals to angle L. Now remove this. Angle T is equals to angle L. Okay. Then, and you are to use SAS criteria. You need to have here what criteria we need to use? Side angle side. Okay. So this is angle. So that we need to prove for this two sides. Then it becomes SAS criteria. Okay, this angle needs to be have the interior angle. Then you can say that side angle side. Okay, so if this angle is given to you, so you need to prove for this two sides. Right now it is already given in the equation, but if it is not given, then you need to prove this two sides is equal with this two sides. Okay, it's given in the equation, but if it is not given, then this two sides is equal with this two sides. That you need to show, because one angle is already given, and if we want to use the side angle side criteria, so we want this two sides. Now RT second third position EN, then PN from here PN first and third position, so first third position AT. जरूरी नहीं कि हर बार सीक्वेंस यहीं से दिया हो, यहां से भी दिया जा सकता है। PN फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड, तो आप यहां पे फर्स्ट थर्ड देखो AT। ओके, सीक्वेंस ही फॉलो करना। Then third, if it is given that AT is equals to PL, now remove this, AT is equals to PL, that means these two sides are same, and you are to use angle side angle criteria, then you need to have, now we need to use the angle side angle criteria, so side needs to be interior side. Okay, so we need to prove for these two angles. If we want to use angle side angle criteria, and if it is given AT is equal to PL, okay, A side दी है तो ये इंटीरियर साइड बननी चाहिए। वो कैसे बनेगी? जब आप ये दो एंगल्स के लिए प्रूव करोगे तब, then it becomes angle side angle criteria. ये साइड दी है तो ये दोनों एंगल हमें इक्वल प्रूव करने होंगे ये ट्रायंगल के साथ। ओके, अब यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस भी नहीं दिए तो हमें सेल्फ जनरेट करना है, तो ये साइड दी है तो हमें ये दो एंगल चाहिए, सो एंगल A. Now A is equal with the first position P. दूसरा एंगल कौन सा प्रूव करना? एंगल T. तो आप दूसरे इक्वेशन में लिखो एंगल T is equal with थर्ड पोजीशन N. ओके, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड दोनों क्वेश्चन में क्वेश्चंस दिए, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस भी नहीं दिए तो आपको सेल्फ थोड़ा लॉजिक लगाना है कि ये साइड दी है एंगल साइड एंगल के लिए ये इंटीरियर साइड होनी चाहिए, तो इनके पास वाले एंगल ही प्रूव करने हैं। और वो प्रूव कैसे होंगे, यहां से हमें सीक्वेंस उठाना है, ए के साथ P फर्स्ट, T के साथ N थर्ड। ओके, देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, you have to show that triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ in the following proof. Supply the missing regions. Triangle is given to you. Here AMP and here AMQ. So we have two triangles. In that PM is equals to QM. Angle PMA is equal with the QMA. AM is equals to AM, AMP congruent to AMQ. We need to write the results. What are the results? Okay, supply the missing results to show that these two triangles are congruent. Now first thing is PM is equal to QM. ये दोनों इक्वल क्यों है? PM is equal to QM. So क्वेश्चंस में ये ट्रायंगल की फिगर दी हुई है और इसमें यहाँ पे 2 मार्क्स है और यहाँ पे भी 2 मार्क्स है। इट मीन्स कि वो क्वेश्चन में ही दिया है कि ये इक्वल है, तो यहाँ पे रीजन आएगा गिवन। ओके, क्वेश्चन में ही ये दिया हुआ है कि PM is equal to QM, इसलिए यहाँ पे 2 मार्क्स की है, 2 मार्क्स यहाँ पे 2 मार्क्स यहाँ पे, इट मीन्स दोनों इक्वल। सेम थिंग एंगल M इस साइड वाला और ये साइड वाला दोनों सेम है क्योंकि वो क्वेश्चन में सेम पैटर्न दी है, दैट मीन्स कि वो क्वेश्चन में ही लिखा है कि इक्वल। ओके, यहाँ पे आपका PM is equal to QM, रीजन है गिवन। नाउ एंगल PMA that means this angle is equal to QMA, that means these two angles are same, it is also given in the equation. So it is given. Then AM is equal to AM is equal to AM. Now ऐसा क्यों लिखा है कि AM is equal to AM? क्योंकि ये दो ट्रायंगल के आप कंपैरिजन करो, ये ट्रायंगल और ये ट्रायंगल, सो AM जो है वो कॉमन साइड है, ये साइड दोनों ट्रायंगल में है, दोनों ट्रायंगल में है तो इक्वल ही होगी। राइट, तो यहां पे रीजन आएगा सेम साइड। ओके, ये दो तो क्वेश्चन में दिए हैं। एम इक्वल है क्योंकि वो दोनों ट्रायंगल में आ रही है, कॉमन साइड है, कॉमन साइड है तो लेंथ सेम ही होगी, सो सेम साइड। नाउ हियर इट इज रिटन ट्रायंगल AMP कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्रायंगल AMQ। अब ये दोनों कॉन्ग्रुएंट क्यों है, कौन सा क्राइटेरिया यूज हुआ? AMP इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू AMQ, कौन सा क्राइटेरिया यूज हुआ है? तो यहां पे देखो साइड, एंगल, साइड, क्योंकि हमने ये साइड ली है, राइट? तो यहां पे क्राइटेरिया क्या है? साइड, देन एंगल, साइड। सो हियर आवर रीजन इज by side angle side, so SAS rule, otherwise criteria. Okay, by SAS rule, side, angle, side. So students, if you have any doubt in these questions, please write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Thank you.